In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover deleted pages in Notion. If you've ever deleted a page in Notion and felt that moment of panic, don't worry, Notion gives you a simple safety net. Deleted pages aren't gone right away. They're moved to a dedicated trash area where you can bring them back with just a click. Let's walk through exactly how to do that and what to keep in mind along the way. Start by opening Notion and looking at the left-hand sidebar. In that sidebar menu, you'll see an option labeled Trash. Click Trash to view everything that's been deleted recently. This is the central place where Notion collects pages you remove, so you don't have to remember where they lived before they all show up here. Once you are in Trash, scan the list to find the page you want to bring back. Next to each page name, you'll notice a small curved arrow icon. That's your Restore button. Click the curved arrow, and Notion will immediately return that page to its original location. You don't need to recreate anything or move it manually. It goes right back to where it lived before you deleted it, with its content intact. It's helpful to know that pages don't stay in trash forever. By default, Notion keeps deleted pages for 30 days. That gives you a comfortable window to change your mind or recover something you removed by accident. After that 30-day period, the item will be automatically cleared out of trash, so it's best to restore anything important as soon as you realize you need it back. Another important detail: if the page you are restoring is a parent page that contains subpages, restoring that parent will also bring back all of its nested child pages. This saves time and helps you keep related content together, without restoring each item one by one. It works the other way too. If you restore a single subpage, it returns to the place where it was originally nested. A quick recap before we wrap up. To recover a deleted page in Notion, click Trash in the sidebar. Locate your page and hit the curved arrow Restore icon to send it back to its original spot. Remember, you've got a 30-day window by default to make that decision, and restoring a parent page will also recover any subpages inside it. With these simple steps, you can undo mistakes and get right back to work. Thanks for watching.